Battalion 2, Engine 5, Tower 2, Battalion 2, Engine 9. Accident. Rescue. 136, I-65 South. Truck 1. Accident. Rescue. 136, I-65 South.
Engine 9's responding.
Tower 2 responding.
Battalion 2 responding.
Engine 5 responding.
Battalion 2, Engine 5, Engine 9, Tower 2 responding on the report of an auto accident with a rescue. The 136 mile marker 65 southbound, the 136 65 southbound. Caller is a 27-year-old male with unknown injury, says his cab is hanging over the side of the bridge, right past the bridge, carrying packages, says he sees the road below him, believes his truck is face down. You'll be responding with EMS and Metro Police at 9:49. Radio to Battalion 2, we are seeing this via TRIMARC. It does appear that the cab is going to be hanging off of the interstate. The truck side is still on.
Rescue 2 to Battalion 2. We're going to respond to you. Tell us not to.
Rescue 2, I have you responding. Truck 3, go ahead.
Truck 3 is in service.
Truck 3 in service, 952.
Engine 2 to radio, hold us for response. Rescue 2.
Engine 2, if you're responding with Rescue 2 at 9:53.
Engine 9's on the scene, I-65 at the 136. Nothing showing.
Engine 9 on scene, 65 south at the 136 with nothing showing. Engine 9, it appears it's going to be 65 near 64 and 71 on the southbound lanes right around the curve per the TRIMARC camera.
Engine 9's okay. Engine 9 to Battalion 2. We've got a tractor trailer. Cab is overhanging the road between the river and the I-64-71 ramps. We're going to Indiana to turn around to try to access.
Engine 9 has an overhanging semi on the road between the river and 64 and 71 rams going to Indiana, turn around to try to access at 9:55.
Rescue 2 report. What's going to be our best action?
Rescue 2 to Battalion 2. Going to Indiana and coming back over. The cab is completely off the expressway. Engine 9 to radio, send LMPD to block the ramp from I-65 south to 64 and 71. The truck is overhanging that ramp.
Tower 2 to radio. We're going to also need LMPD to stop traffic from 65 south to the 64 ramp that's traveling underneath.
Rescue 2 to Battalion 2. We're setting up a tower at the high point. We're over top of the cab this time. Try to get him out through that door. Setting up a system at this time.
Chief 5's on scene. Chief 5 Battalion 2. I'm going to try to access the lower side. Chief 5 got you on scene trying to access the lower side at 10-4.
709 3rd. Engine 9 Battalion 2. PD's on phone with the patient. He has no injuries. Sorry.
Engine 21 responding. Engine 21 on the medical delta, that's 311 South 4th Street at the Hyatt Regency, crossing West Liberty and West Jefferson Street. It's going to be on a 53-year-old male with chest pains. He's going to be in a blue shirt, tan pants, and hospital band at 10:05.
Chief 3 responding.
Chief 5 to Battalion 2.
Battalion 2.
Have the engine company that's down by your buggy back down and come down this ramp and stage underneath.
Rescue 2 to command. Both sides of the cab are tied off. Commencing rope operations.
Alright, rescue to Tower 2. Go ahead and keep dropping me. I got about 5 feet. Rescuer. Go ahead and lift me up just a little bit, about 1 foot. Stop. I'm hooking the patient up now.
Chief 3 on the scene.
Chief 30, 1022.
Rescue 2 to rescuer. We have 3 to 1 set up and in place.
Rescuer's okay. Rescuer to top side. Give me about 2 feet.
Do you need 2 feet down or 2 feet up?
2 feet down.
Top side's okay.
Go ahead and stop.
Rescue 2 to rescuer. Your ropes are rubbing on the edge of the window. Do you need us to move power to the right?
That is correct. Stop right there. Give me about 2 more feet down.
Chief 1 is on scene.
Chief 1 on scene, 1027.
Rescuer to top side. We are hooked up and ready to be lifted. Slowly at my command.
Top side's okay, just listening.
We are ready to lift.
Battalion 2 to radio. We're just 1 occupant from the vehicle in the hands of EMS.
Range Gale came in the vehicle with the hands of EMS at 1031.